Online side hustles. People love to brag about their side hustles. However, if you don't yet have a side hustle and aren't sure where to start, the internet is a good place. With an online side hustle, you can work from the comfort of your home and get cash flowing in. So let's take a look at the top 5 online side hustles you can start up today. 5. Social media management and digital operations for small businesses. Do you understand how social media algorithms work? Or are you up to date on the current trends? Then you should consider putting your skills to use in managing a social media account to earn some extra money. Many small and medium-sized enterprises rely largely on outsourcing for the majority of their digital activities. These businesses frequently require assistance with various aspects of their operations. They may, for example, outsource social media management, hire a content writer to develop their website, or require a data analyst to crunch important data. Depending on your skill set, you can approach any of these companies and offer to manage their social media account for a fee. You might be in charge of anything from a simple daily Instagram post for an individual to managing a company's whole social media portfolio. 4. Blogging. This is something almost anyone can do. Not only is it a rewarding activity and a terrific opportunity to convey your interest in certain subjects, but it is also a lucrative source of income. You only require a small amount of knowledge to start your own blog, but there are also hundreds of free lessons online if you wish to master the technical intricacies. In the long run, if your blog provides valuable content to an audience, you could earn a substantial amount of money from it by promoting affiliate products, selling ad space, writing sponsored pieces, having premium gated material, providing services, and much more. The biggest advantage is that it does not require you to work on it daily. You only need a few hours per week to research, develop, and deliver excellent content. 3. Freelancing. Freelance websites have played a significant role in changing the way professional jobs are conducted around the world. A lot of people, small businesses, in particular, are always seeking freelancers to complete their projects at a reasonable cost. Freelancing usually starts as a side hustle, but it is so lucrative many people end up transitioning to working full-time. Skills such as graphic design, web design, programming, and graphic design are always in demand, and you can capitalize on this to earn money. However, freelancing doesn't always require technical talents. You can also use your artistic abilities. You can, for example, use your English or writing skills. There are numerous clients who require assistance with their blogs, stories, or assignments. There are people who require assistance with editing or proofreading their work, or you could perhaps work as a ghostwriter for well-known corporate executives. 2. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an online business concept in which a third party creates and ships pre-existing products for you. All you have to do is put up your store, price your things, and market your business. You have probably heard about this a lot, but it is something you should definitely give some thought to if you're looking for low-risk ways to make money online. Dropshipping is a low-risk possibility since goods are only shipped after they have been purchased. So all you need to do is to keep your marketing expenses down to an acceptable level. There is plenty of chance for you to make a profit. With product development and design conspicuously absent from the mix, you can focus on easier prospects such as marketing and operations. 1. Start a zine and sell digital subscriptions. Have you considered starting your own magazine? Well, you should, because it's a lucrative way to make money online. Of course, you might not be able to create publications like Vogue and other top magazines, and that's where a zine comes in. The name zine is used to describe any publication focused on a niche audience, but the key difference between a zine and a magazine is zines have an autonomous element that relies on ideas and principles not covered by mainstream media. It can be an excellent online side hustle for artists, graphic designers, and authors to promote and sell their work. They have a long history of promoting alternative, overlooked, and neglected works of art and literature. The internet has provided a forum for the next generation of zine creators to share fresh ideas in the form of digital subscriptions. And if you're skilled at proofreading, that's even better because you won't have to hire someone to edit your zine. Do any of these side hustles appeal to you? You can get started right away. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.